Take a ride in the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.